my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much, UNICE, for sending me over this beautiful unit. As you guys can see in the unboxing, this unit came in a body wave texture, and this is actually that I have in my hair. I think this is either 22 or 24 inches. Literally, guys, this hair is so beautiful and butter soft. This is body wave, but I wet it and it kind of looks a little bit like a beach wave. When I tell you this is literally the perfect like beach texture, it's the perfect beach texture. You could go to the beach, literally wet this hair, and it's so lightweight and like full at the same time. So let me show you guys how long it is on me. I'm 5'3", so this hair comes a little bit below my chest area. So I really love this hair, and this might be my summer go-to wig. You guys can literally get this hair right on Amazon. So on their website on Amazon, this is what it looks like. Let me show you guys. On Amazon, this is what it looks like. You guys can't really see the full title, but you can see the image of the girl. And it says UNICE Wear and Go Glueless wig. Okay, so this is a glueless wig, but I did put a little bit of Got2b spray, and I did my baby hairs. I did not even have to bleach the knots, guys. All I did was use my it's like tinting powder. I got it from the beauty supply. If you guys want to know what it is, I'll literally link it below, but I got it from the beauty supply, and that's all I did to my knots. And look how flat this hair is, guys. So on Amazon, it says UNICE Wear and Go Glueless Wigs Body Wave Pre-Cut Lace 6x4.5 HD lace front wigs, and this is 150 density, but it kind of feels like 180 density. So that's what I noticed. I have a lot of parting space, guys. So the parting space starts from right here to right here. That's a lot of parting space. The thing about this wig is that it is a little bit, my head is big, but this wig is comes with adjustable bands, so that's really good. And let me tell you guys the price of this hair. So right now I have I believe they sent me a 22 or 24, but it looks like a 24. The 24 inch is only $208, and I think that's the longest length they have, 24 inch. So it's only $208. When I tell you guys, this hair is so soft, and it's like no shedding, no tangling. UNICE, all the wigs that they sent me is always butter soft, super silky, and it's really low maintenance. This wig is glueless, so you don't even need to probably glue it down a little bit like I did. You can literally just plop it on your head, adjust the band, and go. By the way, I do not have any product in my hair. All I did was just wet it with a little bit of water. This is not the state that it came in. It came in a body wave texture like I showed you guys in the beginning of this video. But what I did is I parted it in the middle, and I just wet it with some water to see. Like, I want to see if these curls will really pop, because sometimes with body wave hair, the curls don't really pop, especially after you wet it. It just gets straight, or it's just not really wavy anymore. But this is definitely beautiful, and I know you guys will agree with me. All of the information for this hair will be in the description below. Again, thank you so much, UNICE, for sending me this beautiful unit. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.